purpose of today's session, which we call the Regional Business Fair, held in the South. It's starting today, the 27th of July, up until the 29th of July, over 3 days. I think we're all aware that our small businesses have a challenge around access to market. And the event gives them the opportunity to showcase their products. But it's also about networking opportunities, because they get opportunities of networking with other businesses.
Manje belinikwa ithuba lokuzotshengisa ukuthi inyama liyenza kanjani. So engikade ngikwenza kade ngidemonstrate ngitshengisa ukuthi eyadini inyama siyenza kanjani nokuthi isiphi ispice esisisebenzisayo.
So the platform enhle kabi enziwa iDurban municipality ukuthi also amabhizinisi bahlangane baqhubelelane ulwazi. So nje I actually commend that people must come and support this initiative.
Durban Business Fair helps small businesses like us to get that exposure that we wouldn't have got otherwise, because they do the advertising, they do the marketing, and so we have a lot of people coming and we're getting that exposure that we wouldn't have received had they not arranged something like this.
Thini manozi ilethe ingubo zemshado iyaharisha, iyadecorate, iyapheka, ningayikwenzayo. Siyabonga kumkhandlu nakuma organizers sithi abaqhubeke basingathe basifake kulezi zinto.
Ama showcase anjengala noma ama exhibition awusizo kakhulu ukuthi thina abantu kwesisikhathi shoda ngolwazi uthi it's a waste of time.
Well, isila Umlazi kwi-Durban South Business Fair. La khona abantu beshowcase khona ngemisebenzi eminingi yahlukahlukene ezandla abayenzayo. Kodwa futhi okakhulukazi siphinde futhi sibe nenkulumo mfundiswano lokho ama-workshops ukuhlabisa abantu noma ukuhlomisa abantu ngolwazi ey'ntweni ezahlukahlukene. Saphinde saba nepanel ebheke izinto zaka-construction. Silanda abantu asebemkatsha ubomvu nabakhona kwi-industry abashoti basuka kuphi bona sebekuphi nendawo. Abanye baze ba-offerisha futhi nangemishini abanayo makwenzeka abantu bethola imisebenzi edinga imishini emkhulu njalo njalo. Lukhona uhlelo lwabantu abasha, lukhona uhlelo lwabantu besifazane, lukhona uhlelo elibhekene nabantu abakhubazekile njalo njalo. Sikholwa ukuthi wonke umuntu ubhema kholwe uma ngabe efika kuma-business fair elalela kakhulukazi ibhizinesi indawo.
Namhlanje sila kwi-Durban Business Fair South Region, si-invite ama-high schools. Sitargete kakhulu grade 10 to grade 12 kuwona wonke ama-field of studies, because we are trying to stimulate creativity and innovation ey'ngqondweni zey'ngane.
Give me some punch, give me some oomph. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! The Durban Business Fair is now officially open.
to the Umlazi Business Expo because I would like to get to know more about development of business within Elokishini and rural development.
Ngize kwi-business fair ngizofunda kabanzi ngamabhizinisi futhi ngizofunda ukuthi kufanele nginokho ekiphi iminyango ukuze ngithole usizo ngebhizinisi lami.
Ngokubona i-business fair sibona abantu bechaza i-history yabo ukuthi baqale kanjani nokuthi baphushile forward ukuthi baqala amabhizinisi.
Into enhle kufanele ikhuthazwe sikhuluma indaba ukuthi let's create new heroes emphakathini wakithi siqhakambise ama-hero emkhakheni we-social entrepreneurship okuhlobo lebhizinisi oluthinta impilo zabantu ngqo.
And I am the face of food for the city of Durban for the 3rd consecutive year. Cookbook author, restaurants here. I'm here to give back to the communities I grew up in, I played with, because no matter how high you go, never forget your roots.
Sathanda ukubonga umasipala weTheku ukuthi asisela ama-opportunities anjenge-Durban Business Fair ngoba sifunda ngebhizinisi ney'nkinga that people have.
It was a lovely event. The ramp was amazing. All the dresses were amazing. I loved every minute.
Challenge besinikezwe yona kusisiqhamuke nama-creative solutions azowenza ukuthi kube khona improvement kwi-innovation la eSouth Africa and ne-homelessness, so reduce the number yabantu aba-homeless.
Uhlelo oluhle kakhulu. Ngiqale lapha la kunama workshop khona okucija osomabhizinisi abancane ukuthi bangenze njani ukuthi bayithuthukise. Ungidlaba umxhwele ukubona umama osemdala efundiswe ukwakha ukhamba. Fundiswa izolo namhlanje bese qedile ukulakha. Abaphekayo bepheka ngamabhodwe esiZulu kodwa benza ukudla kwisimangaliso besebenzisa ama-gas stoves. Siqhubekile ke sabona labo ama-exhibitors phecelezi abenza imibukiso yezinto abazenzayo, abatshali imbali, abantu abamnyama laphana koV. Lokho kukhombisa ukuthi i-business fair ngempela abantu abafisa ukuthuthukisa impilo zabo ukuze bakwazi basebenze nabanye abantu bakhe amathuba omsebenzi.
Kakhulu kubona bonke abebekade behlela umcimbi, ngibonge kwa business support, ngibonge kubona bonke nje.
Sithole usizo olukhulu ngokuba khona kwethu la ukuthi ibhizinisi liyathuthuka nanokuthi sathola la sitshelwa khona ukuthi ibhizinisi lakho ukuze ube nabathengi lithuthuke kufanele wenze njani.
It's very important ukuthi abantu baphume out of their comfort zone and go and grab them opportunities because into ngawuzuyithola if ukuthi uhleli phansi and ungasabi ucela ukuthi utshele ukuthi